Hello everyone and welcome back to the Stock Market Review. It is Thursday evening after hours, 9:52 p.m. Thursday, December 14th. Let's take a look at the indexes for today. New fresh record highs. Dow Jones up 158, S&P up 12, and Nasdaq up 27. And there were some fluctuations, but it worked out. So let's take a look at Dow Jones first. Dow Jones up. They came back down with a slight sell-off. They recovered almost all of it. Last 5 days, pretty much up. Past year, and they were basically at a new all-time high. S&P 500, take a look at that. Holding steady. Then 1 to 2 p.m. it sold off a little bit, came back up. Last 5 days, this past week, been climbing up steadily. Good push yesterday with the Fed not raising rates. Past 6 months, new high. And then we're almost at an all-time high. And now the Nasdaq ticker symbol TQQQ. Slightly little bit of a different story. Had some selling off, and then it came back up and steadied off. So kind of a break-even point. Last 5 days, this past week, steady climbing up. Past 6 months, probably another all-time high. And then not quite all-time high, but almost there. A little bit more to go. Okay. And some other news. Amazon went down a little bit. Nvidia went up. And GM went up. Okay. So let's take a look at the prices. I sold off. TQQQ and SPXL for the Nasdaq and the SP 500. When it was at its peak. Then when it dipped, I bought it back up again. So I'm back up. Even though TQQ says I'm down 3 cents, well, I was down 30 or 80 cents, so it's actually recovering. Let's look at the price for the Dow Jones. Dow Jones fluctuating up and down like a roller coaster ride, ending the day at 372. The SP 500 ticker symbol SPXL kind of maintained, had a little bit of a dip towards the second half of the day and came back up and finished up at 101. And Nasdaq ticker symbol TQQQ was holding steady, sold off a little bit, came back up, almost break even, finished up at 48.82 instead of its previous high 49 and change. So there you go. And like I said, this morning I sold off TQQ completely and bought at a lower price point, 48 and change. Let's take a look at that. So here, I sold off about there. More like there, 49. Okay, bought it back into 48 because it dipped some. About here or so. Okay, dipped even more. I was down like 80 cents. It came back up, so I'm only down 3 cents. So it's recovering. Once it gets back up to the 49 mark, almost 50 mark, that'll be the profits. Okay, look at that SPXL. Essentially the same thing, except I bought not the whole share. Okay, sold it off. Probably about here, 102. And then bought back in at 101, so probably about here. Okay, sold off a little bit more, bought some more, $10 at a time, so I have $20 worth of shares. Came back up, profits 14 cents. And these are Russian stocks that can't be sold yet, so I'm hanging on. Orco went down, I'm not in a whole lot, $3, so I'm down 6 cents. I can live with that. And then ticker symbol SQQQ, I've got it on limit buy, so when it reaches its low again, it'll trigger buy, so I'll be in. Just not quite yet. Then of course the inverse for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, this goes down. Bitcoin goes down, this goes up. Looking for its low price point of $12.45, $12.44. It's at $12.84 now, so not a whole lot of difference. I bought it at $12.83. 3 shares so far. It's cheap enough. I can probably buy a few more and wait it out until Bitcoin falls again, and I'll be making profits. Okay, I think that is it. Thanks everyone for watching. If you find this video and the information in this video valuable, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm on YouTube under the name Stock Market Review, and also on TikTok. Please share to as many people as you can so that they will have the opportunity to evaluate and make profit for themselves as well. Again, thank you for watching, and have a good one. I'll see you next time tomorrow for the stock market review one more time. All right.